Hello again. Last video we did the right part, the infrastructure view baseline as the figure 29. Today we are going to do this figure, the 30 is the target. So the combine these two is you will have as is and to be view for the change of the infrastructure. Let's first examine the delta or the change compared to the baseline we did last time and this target. Originally, we have three. The office, here is use the location, and we can see in the target target architecture, we have a home and away headquarter, profit headquarter, so they are two. But we remove this legally used headquarter. So this all headquarter all, as in the legacy company has been removed. As the implication, all the infrastructure are also removed. And then within the home and away headquarter, we can see we still have the front office, this location, and in this web server, web hosting server, the application is still there. But in this the general purpose server, we have call center there, CRM there, but this legal expense CRM is gone together with this the all company the location or headquarter. So that's the delta change. And here we separate this general server, the one server to the cluster to two server. So this general purpose server cluster is kept here, and we only have the back office suite from the original the back office and create here, and the DMS implementation in the assets is in the profit here, but we will keep that, but we have implement also the document management the backup server as the backup for the primary server here. So these two are the backup cluster. But is you can have a look is the document management server. The primary is in the profit and the backup is in the home and away. But the ArchiSurance general purpose server cluster, the primary is in the home away and the backup is on the profit. So that is the kind of the mechanism of this backup consideration. And also we are creating a new node called this data acquisition gateway. Later view you can see is the acquisition data is coming from the different the physical devices. So that is the way is we are making the change on the infrastructure part first. So since the majority of the elements are still kept, so let's duplicate from this 29, not the scratch. So let's change name. So that's also the convenient if you have SEs architecture, you can use that to build your to-be. So first, this office or headquarter we can remove from our view, and we don't have. Let's put here. So do we have the? Let me hide this relation. Do we have the node enough for us? No. So let's create this node. Node is data acquisition gateway. So this one, let's see what kind of the relationship. We can also use a composition. So then that is connect to the line. So use the association here. And we don't have this home. We have this home and the travel back office. We have that. And here is the ArchiSurance general purpose server cluster. So here is the, but we don't have these two the server animal, to application animal. So let's remove from the view. And also here, we don't have this legal expense anymore, so remove from the view. So we can have the front office ready like this way, so we can make that smaller now, because we need a little more the space for the right part. And then, so let's put in this figure. So that is one server. And we will have another server, document management backup. So we can use this duplicate. So here, document management backup server. So that is put in here. So, and we can choose this first and second and make that the same, larger, same size. So that is the way to manage your the format. So within the document management server, we have another the implementation. So also the same, the DMS, the implementation. But if you the drag this here, you will create also a link showed from here. So that is the not convenient ways. But if you let's make this undo, and if you make sorry. Let's use this, because you want is just use the same application, but you don't want to inherit and make this a busy relationship. You can Control C here, and then you make that right click is paste special. So here you see you don't create another the instance, but you make the duplicate element into this view, and you can use this to make assignment. Then if we see from the relationship for this DMS, you see this same element has two assignment relationship, one for this backup server, one for the primary server. So right click on this paste special will paste the instance, but without the showing the existing relationship. But that's the similar is you can just paste without special, and then delete this additional the visible relationship from the this view. That's gonna give you the similar result. And then this way, we don't have this auto the back office. So that is also the removed from the new the to be organization. So on the profit line, we have this server, and we have our ArchiSurance backup server. So that is coming from this one. So let's make our duplication. So backup server stock. Let's keep this general purpose. I think it's on this case studies they want to save the space. Okay, and we should have this back office suite implementation. So far, where we don't have this. I think we have that, but where is this in the SS back office suite? So far no. So let's make the analyze. All is made that in Figure 18. So on here is we connect this implementation to application components, not on the specific server. So now let's reuse this in the 13. So we put this here, and then let's Control C and paste the special. We get another instance on view and put that here. So now we have the two implementation for this application, but they are hosted in the different server. And we have the two lines. We have one. So similar like this, we can save some space and we put that into this way. So that's the finished for this number 30. We already have a baseline and the target. Next view, we will move to this data acquisition and see you then. Bye for now.